Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos. Let's see what's coming up, guys, for your daily energies, guys. Before we start the reading, Virgos, I would like to wish you all a very happy new year, guys. Hope this year brings happiness, success and prosperity in your lives, guys. So let's start the reading with that happy intention today. Happiness for this new year. So these cards are for your daily energies, guys. These cards may relate to your career situation or personal life situation, guys, Virgos. So these are for your career situation, Virgos. And for your relationship, we'll be picking 3 more cards. So these are the cards for your relationship. So we will open these cards as we proceed towards the reading, guys, as we proceed. Okay, so let's start with the daily reading, Virgos. King of Water, transformation, Ace of Water. So these cards may relate to your career situation or personal life situation, guys. So with this card, some major changes are happening in your life, something that are just coming towards you, that with that force and energy, something pushing you towards something new. So whatever was not working for you, maybe something old, maybe your old ideas or your beliefs or people or circumstance, all that is simply disappearing from your life, and you're progressing in a positive way towards that new change. So you just need to allow yourself to progress towards that change, guys. Maybe it may worry you because you may feel that this new change may be something unknown coming towards you. But Virgos, you need to understand that this new change is something positive, something beautiful that is coming towards you. Whatever is that highest good that is coming towards you, guys. So it may be something in your career, some new choices, or the way you are working. All that is coming towards you, guys, something new. And you are a fair person, a very diplomatic person, Virgos. You consider everybody's point of view before taking an important decision, and you are a lover of peace. You know what you need, and you know the right way of doing things without harming anybody's views or anybody's ideas or beliefs. And you are working in that perfect harmonious way today, trying to find that balance. Maybe whatever changes or whatever things that are pushing you towards some change, you are doing it in a harmonious way, guys, understanding the need for change and progressing in that new path with that harmony and balance. And maybe for some of you, there is someone coming towards you, someone new. So this person loves you unconditionally for what you are. This person knows the truth about you, and they love you for your true nature. And this love, maybe it may be your karmic destiny, guys. So that is the reason they are there with you today, and they are there in this relationship with you. So that is what I see with these cards, Virgos, for your daily reading, guys. Let's see what are the cards for your career situation. Chariot, Queen of Water, and Sun. So with these cards in your career situation, you have that clarity in your situation. So maybe sometimes things are going well, sometimes things are not going well, you are facing some obstacles or some delays, but you know in your heart of heart that is essential for your growth. Even the negative impact your career situation has on your life, you are having that clarity. So these negatives are there just to push you in some direction, so that will unleash that greater potential, greater growth in your life, guys. So that is the reason for these troubles maybe in your situation today, guys. And also you are healing yourself from your past failures. So maybe for some of you certain things were not going in a positive way according to your expectations, some delays or suspensions you would have had, some kind of troubles, but you know what you need to do to overcome. Some feelings of insecurity, lack of confidence you would have had in your career situation, but today you have that understanding, you have that healing energy in your situation. So all that is not working for you, you are able to move forward, let that go, whatever is not working, and you're moving forward. So whatever projects or whatever paths that you have chosen for yourself in your career or in your personal life, projects, assignments, all that is flourishing today, guys, and you're moving towards that abundance in your life, that prosperity, and you're grateful for these changes happening in your career situation, Virgos. That is what I see with these cards, guys, for your career. Let us see what are these cards for your relationship. Queen of Fire, King of Earth, and Empress. So with these cards in your relationship, this may be what you feel about this person or what they feel about you. With this person in this relationship, you have that confidence, mutual love and respect on each other, and this person feels that they can rely on you, trust you. You are a good person, trustworthy person, reliable person, and this relationship is building that confidence in you, happiness in you, because you both are working together to manifest things in this relationship. So you have that perfect team spirit in this connection. You both have that love, trust, and that desire to understand each other, and that passion in this connection, guys. And that may be the reason that we see that you are you want a family with this person, you are waiting to start a family with them, you love this person, and you are growing together in this connection, guys, in a very positive, beautiful way. And this is a positive, beautiful relationship. That is what I see, guys, with these cards. Guys, that is your daily reading, Virgos. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Virgos.